As Labor Day approaches, Angler's Choice Marine has the promotion for you. From now until Monday, September 9th, buy a brand new 2024 Ranger Z520R and receive a $1,000 Angler's Choice Marine Tackle Shop gift card. This can be applied in-store or on our online tackle shop at acmtackle.com. Get it while it lasts. Also, don't forget to check out the deep price cuts on our leftover 2024 and 2023 models, not to mention price cuts on a large portion of our pre-owned inventory. Check out Angler's Choice Marine today.
Hello, y'all. 3 o'clock.
All right, day number 2, spot number 1. Same as yesterday. Good one.
I'm hitting one.
Got him. Let's go. Okay, that's easy keeper. Oh yeah. What a call. What do we got? 9.5?
9.70, I believe.
We're gonna catch a big here. Hopefully.
Let's go. That's another 4, dog. Back us up a little bit.
And just cast to the thing and just drag it off. All right, he's a high. Wow, he might be 4.
Dude, he's 4.
$12.27. Just caught a 4-pounder on a jig, way up shallow on this brick. We're running a brick pattern. I'm feeling another big one, dude. Queen's tackle, the rage bug on the back. Just up there on nothing, dude. Just sitting at the end of that drop, like I guess where the bricks finish or something. I don't know.
1282.
We got 1282. Let's get another one. I casted right there, and actually I casted like to the brick, pulled it off, and then I was just slowly dragging it back. That's the end of the brick. Those fish sitting there, I guess they're just waiting for stuff to like blow through. A little crawfish. I think you have 3. We need to cast over there. This way.
Throw on this big.
Like right here. No, you cast over here too. That's where the fish are. I think I just got bit. On the brick pattern, baby. The rock brick transition. Big Bass's dream.
I think we wasted a lot of time yesterday just like trying to like.
Yeah, I think so too.
Like if we would have just stuck our jig in our hand yesterday.
Absolutely.
I think we would have been a lot better.
Me too. Right on his head. Oh yeah, that was the cast. Yeah, they're like 2 of them sitting right there on this edge. Can see him flashing. That one's moving.
So much crawfish in the live ones.
Is there?
There's some big ones.
Oh, has he got it? Yep. Oh God.
My GoPro's all wrapped up on me.
Oh!
No, you did it!
Yes, I did. Yeah. That's a 3. Let's go. Throw it in. Throw it in. No, it threw it right at the net. Brother. Also,
I forgot to weigh it.
did you see my hook set?
Yeah. No, I didn't.
And then my rod went in between the GoPro, and I was fighting it like this.
I thought your rod snapped.
No, I look like an idiot. That was amazing.
This is the fish. I don't know which one's. Oh, dude, that is the.
Is it a 3?
Dude, he's decent. Brother. 14.
We got 14?
We got a shot.
We got a shot. What's the next smallest fish?
Like a Howell number 8.
Okay. Sounded like that bird just said, "Oh my God." I told you. It's making fun of us from earlier. I know I actually did see, maybe that one has brick too. I don't think the brick actually has much to do with it, to be honest with you. I don't know. All right. Found a pile. Yeah. Some biggies on it. Oh, oh my God, he had it. I know this is dumb. I gotta try it. Got it. I can't tell yet. Yep. Oh, not good enough. Here, you're good. Actually, what's our smallest?
That's a 2.
Yeah. Maybe not stupid. Here, hop.
I'm all up in yours.
Okay. Ugh.
I was trying so hard to get out of your way.
No, you're good, you're good.
Should be a 182.
184, yeah, number 1. I don't know if this one's gonna go 2.
Close. No 2 pounds.
Nah, he's a 158.
158?
Yeah. 154, something. Doesn't matter. He's going back. But that was kind of cool. Small.
Oh boy.
They're just roaming shallow.
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half. Need a biggin. 3 minutes.
You get back to 5?
Yeah.
Gotta go through the bridge too.
No, we don't.
No, you don't.
What's annoying is you know there's a 3-pounder sitting down there. Alright, that's probably my last cast. Well, gave him hell. Maybe we placed this time. We got a bigger fish than yesterday. Maybe we'll get lucky. Get the second big fish. Good stuff, pal. Good work today. Much better day. Early limit. 2. Careful, he's got that. Got him.
Cheers, guys.
A little better than yesterday.
Got boat 4, Matt Streichel and Hunter Schmitt. All right, how'd y'all catch them this weekend?
Jig.
He's got a big one. We're gonna weigh a big fish. They had a big one yesterday. I think we're gonna have a new leader.
Followed the wrong boat around.
Gotcha. Oh, I thought we had
13.90. That is a new leader.
Well,
and we're gonna weigh a big one.
Something heavier.
4.23 on the big fish. That will take over the lead.
That's 0.01 off from the one I caught yesterday.
Yeah. Look at y'all. Consistency.
Nice.
Let's get a picture, dude.
Thank you, sir.
Good job, y'all.
Appreciate it.
Good job, dude.
Thanks, man.
So we finished up with 13.90 pounds, which for us, honestly, both of us fishing there maybe once before, we were very, very happy about that. First place in this event was 15.03, so we weren't too far out of first place. I hate playing the game of, we are one big fish away, but that is literally what it came down to. It was like one more 2.5 pounder would have won us the event, but ended up being our best finish of the season. Had an awesome time fishing with Hunter all year. He's an awesome fisherman. I always learn from the kid. Had a great time down at Lake Norman at the Angler's Choice event. Huge thanks to Angler's Choice for putting these events on. If you guys are interested in those, I'm going to leave them linked down in the description below for next year. They're condensing their series a little bit next year. There's going to be 3 events, 3 cumulative weight events throughout the year. So I'll leave those linked below. Come out and join us. Have a great time. Please hit that subscribe button for me. We'll see you guys on the next one.